How is it that you can write on-brand emails to clients? Hi guys, my name is Deepak Shukla, founder of the Pearl Lemon Group. We're a business growth and development agency based in the UK, USA, as well as serving clients worldwide. And here today in day number 68. We're here to talk about writing on-brand emails effectively, but before we get into it, feel free to click the link in the description below to get access to 7 additional strategies not shared in this training. And please do reach out to us if you need any support with training your teams. So look, fundamentally, with on-brand emails to clients, there's two, let's say, fronts to consider. Well, there's three fronts to consider. Okay, and let's text this out a little bit. Number one is the company brand in terms of how you should write and refer to. So, if there isn't if there is, ask for the company handbook, and there should be some examples of how to respond in different situations. If that doesn't exist, then build one perhaps. There always is one that exists at an informal level, but it probably just hasn't been formalized. So you could build something that's quite quick, and it could be in the form of a video training plus some documents with some scenarios. But yeah, you've got a company brand guide with email responses. Then you've got the client responses and how you manage that. Okay. Then you've got your own personal style. Okay. So at some level, there needs to be a meeting in the middle. Okay. So that's just really broad consideration with how to write on brand emails to clients. And what you need to think about, because there's three strategies, or there's three styles here at play. So some clients are very professional, some clients are otherwise. Now, not everyone's going to agree with me on this. So I'll talk about the Pearl Lemon way, but that's not the way for every company, because we can discuss the complexities and all of those types of elements. If you have a strong brand, then you can build a strong style. So for Pearl Lemon, it's quirky, it's irreverent. What does this actually mean? So I would say we use emojis, lots of energy, gifs, sharp use of shorthand, and humor. And yeah, no, those would be the things that I would consider to be part of the Pearl Lemon brand. It doesn't mean that everybody uses them, but at some level, parts of this needs to be present in emails that everybody sends. And I think that's the that's the ultimate the takeaway in terms of what the Pearl Lemon brand represents, if you will. It's going to be different for different people. So I would say that, if you, for example, are a company that isn't geared in that way, then you need to adjust it. Now, where the challenges come in, where your clients are, writing a different manner. Now, I would always say, from your company's brand, go one level up. Let's use arrows. You can go one level up, and you can go one level down, but don't veer too far, because you've got a range now. If your client is way up here and that's formal, and then you've got way down there informal, then just going one level up is probably a sensible way to think about it, and then one level down. And what does one level up, one level down mean? It's just, I would say it's just like removing elements of these. Some of them should not be removed in my view. So for example, like lots of energy, and emojis could be removed, gifs could be removed, your use of shorthand and even humor could be removed, but lots of energy and sharp, so to the point, answering the question at hand, being problem solving, that those types of things, for example, should not be removed, but you could add things back in depending upon the energy of the client. So there are some good ways to think about how to write on-brand emails to clients to, just ensure that ultimately there's a little bit of a matching of energy whilst you're meeting in the middle. So these are elements to the Pearl Lemon brand, and hopefully this gives you a guide for how to write. So where you can, I would use all of these, and you can use it with clients. To be honest with you, many clients you can use it with. Pearl Lemon attracts, broadly speaking, a particular kind of client, because we're yellow. There's lots of presence of energy just from everything that we do. So I think that broadly speaking, that should be reflected in our dialogue, but that's not going to be the same for everybody. So think about these things: your company brand guide, think about client responses, think about your own personal style and what that brings to the table. Are you quite detail orientated? Are you quite high level? Are you quite video based? You know, you can add elements to the emails that's based upon your own style, whilst of course incorporating, in our instance, some of these brand elements. So that's what I would say that becomes important when you're thinking about writing on-brand emails to clients. There you have it, guys. Please do comment in the description below if you're enjoying these videos. Subscribe to keep getting these videos, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one.